So let's move on to the set interface. So set interface is another sub interface of collection interface, which is also available in java.util package only. So set interface is unordered collection. That means it doesn't maintain the order. So which order you inserted, that order it won't return to you. And also it doesn't contain duplicate elements. That means it contains only unique elements only. No duplicate elements. Even though if you insert, it will filter out and give it to you unique elements only. While returning the collection to you, it will give you unique elements only. List contains duplicates, but set contains unique elements. List is ordered collection. Set is unordered collection. List is implemented by array list, linked list, vector classes. Set is implemented by HashSet, linked HashSet, TreeSet classes. Array list stores the elements using dynamic array storage, index based. Set doesn't store the elements based on the index. It stores the elements based on the hashing technique. Hashing technique means what? The hash code, the memory address based it will store. That's how the elements will store in the set collection. List collection index based. They will store an index based list collection. But set doesn't work based on the index. That's the difference between list and set. And this is the one, set angular brackets data type S1 equal to new HashSet. So data type. Now I'm creating a collection, a set collection object. S1 is the set collection name and new HashSet. So which class implemented? That class I'm creating object. HashSet class, I'm creating object. So set data type S2 new linked HashSet. So set data type S3 equal to new TreeSet. So you're creating object for TreeSet. So this is the one, the hierarchy you can understand easily. Set extends the collection and set is implemented in the HashSet class, linked HashSet class and TreeSet classes. So how Java HashSet stores the elements? So Java HashSet class stores the elements based on the hashing technique. So it inherits the abstract set class and implements the set interface. So HashSet stores the elements by using mechanism called hashing. Hashing means memory address, hash code. It will get the hash code and in that memory address, it will go and store that. HashSet contains unique elements only because set contains unique elements. HashSet allows one null value. HashSet class is non-synchronized. HashSet doesn't maintain insertion order. Elements are inserted on the basis of their hash code only, it will return to you. HashSet is the best approach for search operations. The initial default capacity of HashSet is 16 buckets. So the load factor is 0.75. If elements keep on inserting, 3/4 is filled, another 16 bucket will be filled. First 16 bucket will be the bucket is nothing but carrying the data, right? Water. Same here carrying the data. So 16 buckets, in the 16 bucket, 3/4 is filled. Another 16 buckets will expand. So this is how the elements will store in the collections. See, public class HashSet extends abstract set, implements a set interface, clonable and serializable. So these are the HashSet constructors. HashSet default constructor, HashSet with integer capacity, HashSet with the capacity and load factor, HashSet with the collection of elements you can specify. So methods are index-based methods won't be available in the set collection. Any set collection not available. So add method is there because this is coming from the collection interface, right? So it will add the element to the collection. Clear, it will clear all the elements. You can clone the entire collection. Contains, it will check whether the particular specified object is present in the collection or not. E is empty. So whether your collection is empty or not, you can check. Iterator. So basically, it returns an iterator of elements. So remove, it is used to remove the specified element. Size, return the number of elements in the set. So this is all about HashSet. So what is about linked HashSet? So linked HashSet class represents the linked list implementation of interface, set interface. It extends the HashSet class and implements the set interface. But this linked HashSet contains unique elements. At the same time, it maintains the insertion order. HashSet doesn't maintain the insertion order. That also contains unique elements. But linked HashSet contains unique elements and maintains the insertion order. Which order you inserted the elements, same order will return to you. That's a linked HashSet. TreeSet, so which implements the set interface and so uses the tree for storage. Basically, it will arrange the elements in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical ascending order it will arrange. That's the TreeSet. See how to convert a set collection into list collection. This is very important for us. Please remember this. List, angular bracket, list collection name equal to new array list and pass the set collection. So that will be converted, a list set is converted into list collection. How to convert a list into set collection? Set data type collection name equal to new HashSet data type collection name. And so let me stop this. The differences are, I'll keep it in one place.